The Best of Bridge family is back with a new cookbook called The Best of Bridge 5-Ingredient Meals. Home economist and author Emily Richards is back on Morning Live via Skype to show us some of these recipes. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, Bob?
I wish you were in our fake kitchen, but it's great to see you in a real kitchen with these incredible meals. But this Best of Bridge, too, I remember when you first introduced this on Morning Live. Such a great story.
It is a great story. It's been around for such a long time. Over 40 years, they've sold well over 4 million cookbooks. And it started with a group of women that played bridge together. And I don't play bridge. I don't know if you play bridge, Bob, but it's a great game.
Apparently.
And they would bring food. They would enjoy it together during their games. And they had a lot of friends find out how great this food was. And so the legend started. They said, hey, why don't you write a cookbook? And years later, we're still here. So there's still some of the original members alive.
Really?
And I've met one. Yes. And she's fabulous. She's a Scotch drinker, Bob. So you know she's solid.
We'll have to book her for a Scotch segment.
And so Sylvia, my co-author Sylvia, and I have continued on with the tradition of easy recipes that will be great to make at home for family and friends. And 5 ingredients definitely fits the bill.
Okay, so let's get started. This, by the way, this book would be a great introduction to the Best of Bridge series, wouldn't it?
It definitely would be. People are looking for shorter ingredient lists. And, you know, you're going to the grocery store, you want to pick up a few things and create delicious meals. And Best of Bridge will always cover you from breakfast to dessert.
Oh.
So why don't we start with some breakfast,
Okay.
Bob?
I just flipped this open. The first thing I came across was firecracker noodles. But we'll have to save that for another day. But that sounds good.
It is delicious. I'll make it for you another day.
Okay,
Maybe
deal.
when I can actually come to the studio.
Yeah. Hopefully that will be sooner rather than later. So what's the first one?
This is a blender oatmeal pancake with bananas. Easy, 5 ingredients, bananas. And it goes right in the blender, bananas, oatmeal, eggs, and almond milk. And you just pour it right out of the blender, right into your skillet or your griddle, and you have pancakes. A nice stack. I think you have a stack in front of you, too.
Yes, I do.
And then a little bit of maple syrup on top. And you can make these ahead. They're so fast. Keep them in the freezer, and then heat them up when you need them.
How do you like my stack?
Mine's taller. That's okay.
What's our next?
So we're going to cover you for dinner as well. We're doing an oven roast salmon. Salmon is a great quick meal, and with 5 ingredients, it'll have lots of flavor. 5 ingredients really limits you to what you can use, but you want to use ingredients with big flavor. So I'm using a little bit of mayonnaise, some pesto, and that's a great secret 5 ingredient to use because it has so much flavor. The basil pesto has garlic and basil and cheese. I'm adding a little bit more cheese, some garlic. So that is our 4 ingredients, and then salmon is our 5th ingredient. I'm just going to put a little salt and pepper. So I should let you know, Bob, that 5 ingredients is the main ingredients, and then we have a few freebies, which are salt, pepper, water, and oil.
Okay.
Okay. So then this just goes right on top of your salmon, and then in a 425-degree oven, 10 minutes later, you have dinner.
Oh, wow. That looks really good. I like that one.
So you can serve it up with rice, salad, and it's very, very quick and easy to make.
Yeah. Okay. We've got about a minute for, let's jam in some more here. I'm going to keep you working.
We always have dessert in Best of Bridge cookbooks. So sweets are a very favorite chapter over the years, and there is 5 ingredient dessert. This cake is a perfect example. It's an olive oil cake. So the flavor really comes from the olive oil in the recipe, and it builds a really, really lovely texture. And you can serve it with any of your favorite fruits and, of course, a little bit of cream. Yours looks beautiful, by the way, Bob. I'm sure you did it all by yourself. You did a wonderful job.
Well, following the book faithfully overnight, I did the best I could, Emily.
And then I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh berries to my cream, just so that I can have a nice plate like you. and serve it up. And this cake is great because of the olive oil in it. It's a wonderful cake that will sit on your counter easily for a couple of days. So people can go back and snack at it while they're getting dinner and breakfast ready.
Okay. Oh, wow. This is amazing. And I wish we had time for all 125 recipes, but it's available now, right? Best of Bridge 5-ingredient cooking?
It is available now, and it's a great holiday gift idea, or pick it up for yourself so that as you're inside during these COVID times, you can keep cooking delicious meals.
Absolutely. Thanks, Emily, and thanks for brekkie.
Thanks, Bob. Have a great day.